This video is going to be assembly, review, and usage, and cleaning of the X7 pump. Hope you enjoy it, and I'd love to hear from you. I have this paint sprayer I know nothing about, but we'll open it and see what we see. This was up top. Looks like some instructions. These will be needed for later. After I get everything put together, I actually use it on a fence, and I show you that a little later. First, I use a power sprayer. I have a review on that as well. I use a power sprayer to clean the fence, so just kind of bear with that. But then I actually use the sprayer and show you, and I'm very impressed with how well and easy it was to use. Towards the end of this video, I clean the unit. So I had a lot of questions on cleaning, so I read the handbook very well. So I think I do a half-decent job on explaining how to clean it as well. Hope you enjoy. We're going to move right into power spraying and then painting. I was using the customer's material here, and he was short 2 pieces of picket there. So that's why there's that big piece and then that little piece on the side missing. I ended up later getting those pieces and I repainted that. I just don't think I filmed that.
Alright, I'd never done this before, but after reading the instructions, we have 2 pumps here. This is like the bleed off, and this is the suction, the pump. So I'm going to put the suction in clean water and put our kind of dump off in kind of just an empty bucket here. And then I'm going to turn this valve on and then turn the system on. It's going to be a little noisy, but basically I'm getting all the regular paint out of this into here. So until that's just water. Alright, so it was just coming out straight water, okay? So the pump is semi-clean right now. Then I'm going to take my sprayer, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just trying to get all the paint out of it. So I'm going to turn this off, okay? So now we have pressure in the line. I'm going to squeeze my handle and then turn it on. So we're going to run all the paint out until fresh water comes out. Oh, interesting. So I'm going to take this off.
This whole process to clean it took me, I think, 30 to 40 minutes. But that's basically it. You saw me clean the pump there. You turn the prime button on and clean the pump. Here I'm just cleaning the line, and I run through most of that bucket just sitting here doing this, and I just don't want to bore you guys. But basically I'm taking just warm water and running it through the whole system so everything get cleaned out. I took these hoses off and took them into the kitchen to clean them. They're just kind of little push together pins, and then those hoses come off, and they cleaned really well in the sink.
Alright, so I took these in the house and I cleaned them really good. This thing here, maybe I could have gotten cleaner, but I just don't know if it matters. I got pretty clean. I guess there's chunks here I didn't get. Anyway, that's how I'm going to leave it. So I'm going to hook it back up. So these just have like little tabs, apparently, right? So you just little squeezers. So you shove that pipe on, and you do the squeezer on top of it. And the same thing here. Shove the pipe on. A little squeezer thing you put up on it. So just because, I mean, I've never done this, I don't really know. Obviously the goal is the inside's got to be perfectly clean, right? So I'm going to run it just a little longer, and then I'm going to put this stuff in, and apparently you put all of it in. Okay. So the instructions say dunk both of these puppies. Let's see, they make the mouth big enough. Interesting, they did not. So let's take the screen off. Okay. Unlock that thing. And I'll have to take this off too. Another squeezer. What the frick? Don't. I've never done this before. Huh. do the primer in there. So we're going to prime it first. Okay, so that's in there. Okay, I don't know what that means. Now we're going to do the line. I'm going to squeeze the handle first, turn this off, and then turn the pressure on. So that is it, right? I think so. I guess that's it. Oh, interesting. So, all of that liquid is up in it. So, I'm guessing I can wrap it up and store it now. That's what where I'm going to conclude. So, overall, this was so much easier than I thought. Spraying it was so easy. Cleaning it was pretty easy. I've made a mess here a little bit, but I'm very happy with this. I think it's fantastic. And I made $1,200 doing that job. Pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching.
I would love to hear from you guys about what you thought of this review. And again, overall, I got the X7 pump and just extremely impressed with it. I thought it was fantastic, just right out of the box, basically ready to go. And hopefully I can book some more paint jobs. It paid pretty well for fences. Subscribe, comment, do all that stuff. Watch my other videos. It tells you how to make a ton of extra money or save money. Yeah, let's change the world. I would love to hear your thoughts about this review that I did on it. Again, I was really happy with this product. It was the X7 pump. Got it at Home Depot. Very happy with it. Just change your mindset on how money works. I mean, money is a free concept, and you can have as much as you want if you just kind of work a little differently than you're used to. Please subscribe and comment. Tell your friends.